This is leveling this side garden to be replaced with rocks. Okay. Gardening in Washington, raking the soil to be replaced with rocks. To bring it. You got it?
Yeah.
Hi, morning.
Good morning.
Where to put it? Where should I pass?
This way,
here?
this way.
This road?
Yep.
Oops. This is gardening in Washougal. I don't know, in Vancouver or Washington. And then drop it here?
Nope.
Oh, here.
Nope.
Some more?
Yep.
Oh, they cut the huge tree here. Oh my goodness, what was that? Wait.
It's just a rock.
Oh,
Right there.
wow.
Right there. Uh-huh.
Here?
Dump.
Jump it.
Yep. All the way.
Jump like Dumpa.
Some more.
No more? Okay, got it.
This is my cousin here doing hard labor.
Gardening.
Gardening. Hard labor. Because in the Philippines, he has gardeners and maids to do it for him. And all he does is say, do this, do that. This is what I want. Here, he is doing hard manual labor.
You must show me the one, the rake.
Now he's about to shovel some more in there. Over here, Kuya.
I need my gloves.
This one.
Yeah, I got my gloves.
Part 2. Kuya is doing manual labor. What happened to shovel, Kuya?
Oh, this is faster for me.
In the Philippines, he does gardeners. I need this, I need that, do this, do that. And here, my cousin is doing manual labor.
Easy.
Having fun time with my cousin.
Catherine will laugh at it, you know what I mean? He will tease me again, he will pull my leg. Oh, someone is here.
Out of the street, sir, out of the street. I'm filming your uncle because he doesn't do manual labor in the Philippines. Sorry, I gotta go.
Where are you going?
You go back inside. There we go. 1, 2.
There's a big rock thing. Leave it here.
Here we go. He's shoveling in. Bend your knees. Lift. Lift. Hard labor. Oh my goodness. He's doing a workout. Look at this. One in a few. Put this on photo. Facebook. Facebook.
No, no, no.
Twitter. Twitter. My cousin doing manual labor.